In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a fender liner on your Acura MDX located behind the front wheel. Let's get started. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to remove the tire. Remove the tire. We're going to start by removing these three 10mm bolts located underneath. Next, we're going to remove this clip. Now we're going to remove this Philly head screw. Now we can undo this clip. Pull it out. Now we're going to remove these two clips. That's one, and we got the other one. Next, we're going to remove these three Phillips screws using a screwdriver. Next, we're going to remove these four clips. Now remove this one. Moving to the other side, we're going to be removing this one right here. Now we're going to remove this one. Depending on the age of the vehicle, some of these will be brittle. I recommend replacing them. We're going to remove this one too. There's going to be one over here. Remove that one too. Remove this one. Next, we're going to remove this mud flap by removing these four Phillips screws. Take it out. Now that we have access to these two clips, I gotta mention that these are one-time use, so once I take them off, we have to replace them. To remove this, I'm gonna use a little pry bar. Like I mentioned, we have to break them. Now remove these two Phillips screws. Now grab the liner and remove it. And there's the old one. Now just put the new one on the same way it came out. And just to help it stay in place, I'm gonna be putting this one clip over here. And that's gonna help me align everything up. Now we can start putting our clips on by lining up the holes. Start the clip. Now we're gonna install the replacement retainer clips for the mud flap. Now we can install the mud flap. Start the bolts by hand. Snug them up. Now we install these two. Now we install these two. Start it by hand. Snug them up. Now we can install this clip. Now we can install this one. Now we're ready to install this one. Lined up with the hole and put the clip in. Now we're ready to install this one. Lined up with the hole and put the clip in. Now we're ready to put this clip. Line it up with the hole. And clip it in. And now we can install this one. And clip it in. Now we're ready to install this one. Line it up with the hole and put the new clip in. Now we're ready to install the 3 Phillips screws. Start them by hand. Snug it up. Do the next one. Now we do this one. Line it up with the hole. Start it by hand and snug it up. Now we're ready to install the 2 clips that go right here. Line that up with the hole and put the clip in. Now we can install this one. Now we're ready to install the 3 10mm bolts that go right here. One goes right here. The other one goes over here. And the other one goes right in the corner. Start all 3 of these by hand and snug them up. Now we can install this clip. Now we're ready to install this clip. Line it up with the hole and push it in. Now we're ready to install the Phillips head screw. Start it by hand. And snug it up. Now we can install the tire back on. Start your lug nuts by hand. And snug them. Now we're going to torque down our wheel to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.